Now we can move to the next activity titled Exploring, which is inbuilt. Now let's check one of the numbers that we studied together. So I'm going to write the number 24 here 2 times. Now Retail, can you tell me 2 factors of 24? We studied here together. Give me 2 factors.
2 by 12.
2 by 12. So I'm going to write here 2 and 12. Now, what about you, Omar? Can you give me the 2 numbers that you wrote as factors of 24?
3 by 8.
Excellent. 3 by 8. Now, one of the nice things to do is to find the prime factors of number. This is the method. Now, what do? I ask myself this important question. Since 2 is a prime number, I will circle it. Now, when I go to 12, 12 is a composite number. This means that it has other factors. So I'm going to make a square like that. And then I will think of 2 other factors. When I think of 2 other factors or numbers that I multiply, I can easily get what? 2 and 6. Now at this step, I also need to circle the prime numbers. Here I got 2 as a prime number, so I will circle it. And here I have 6 as a composite number. This is why I'm going to put a square. Now, for the last step, I ask myself, what about 6? Do I know the factors of 6? Easy. What are the factors of 6? 2 and 3. At this point, I have reached all the prime factors of this number 24. So how do I figure them out? I will just write all the numbers in circles. So they are 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So I reached this conclusion that it's 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. This is the method that Rital started with. What about if I start like Omar? Will I get a different answer? Let's check. Now 3 and 8. I know that 3 is a prime number, so I will circle it. What about 8? 8 is a composite number, so I'm going to draw a square. Now I ask myself, can I factor the 8 or write 2 factors? Yes, I have 2 and 4. Now, what do? I circle the prime number. So this is my prime number. What about 4? Is it prime or is it composite? Yes, it's composite. So I will draw a square. Now, the last step is to factor the 4 or to write it as the product of the 2 factors, which is 2 and 2. Now, what do I see? I have reached the same answer, which is 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. When I check here, I need to ask myself something. Are these 2 the same? Yes. Why? Because we remember from before that there is something called the commutative property of multiplication. So this means that 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 is the same as 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. And this is how we factor and to find the prime factors of numbers.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا، المستقبل يبدأ الآن.